Welcome to another Women and a series between Taboos Igbo. Today I want to discuss paying the debt committed by your chi. Paying the debt committed by your chi. One of the challenges facing some practitioners of Ordinana is when they are told via divination that they have to pay off debts committed by their own chi or onyowa. Asina chigumelo alo ne yakwo alu chigumelo. Or no one. At times, some alpha diviners may say these debts are the reason one is facing what? Setbacks. One may ask, how can debts committed by another be a setback to you? It even gets more confusing when you factor that your chi, who is supposed to be a guide and a blessing to you, has become a cog in your own wheel of what? Progress. Masị na ife mere iji ha aga n'iru, ife mere ife ji emebisi, ife iji enwe nseke, ife na-ebute ụgwọ ọdachi, ife na-eme ịgakata ihe gawa azụ ụmụakazi na nwere ụgwọ onye ụwa uji, na nwere ụgwọ chi uji, na chi uji igbu mmadụ na mgbe ọ dị ndụ, na chi uji wee zukwa ohi, na chi uji wee tụwa nwunye mmadụ ime, n'ọkwa nye a mere n'ihi emegonu, n'ihi akwụ alụ, n'ihi akwụ ụgwọ ahụ chi uji. In that, you'll be asking, your chi that is supposed to be a guide, makepu na chi a guide, na chi is a blessing, na chi how comes it? Oji na chi nke ugono obachi we nyelu. I think this is one dogma in Ordinana that deserves some critical words analysis. Remember, Ordinana does not encourage us to just what? Believe anything. Ordinana is not telling us 1880 say open. In Ordinana, I believe when I say you have to examine. Ordinana encourages us to doubt, to question, and refute whatever that is divine out for us. That is the implicit meaning of the word saying. Ana agbafa, ana abuche. Ana agbafa, sina abuche. In Ordinana, they believe ana agbalafa, onye ana agbalafa yada abuche. I say not do this one, no, if you are saying we should do it, we should ask questions. So this is what this teaching is doing. This teaching is a form of Igbo. We are trying to cross-examine that dogmatic belief that setback can be caused by the sins or the debts owed by our chi. Now, let's get into the crux of the matter. First, if she is one who has undertaken to guide us, to make the journey of life easy for us, why then should we be the one to pay off their debts? That's the question. If she is the one that have undertaken, that have undersigned, that have underwritten, that have given the promissory notes that we should go, that they will guide us through the journey of life, that they will make the journey of life easy for us, why then should we be the one to pay off their debts? Why are they now making the journey of life difficult for us? By putting the debts they owe in their existence upon our own shoulder. Rather, they should be the one offloading our own debts for us. Was there a pre-bet agreement before they accepted to be our chi? And this arrangement is that the condition of their acceptance is for us to pay their debt. Assuming this assumption is true, then it means one chi is merely a partner, not a guide or even a god. It means she is a business arrangement. It means she is a partner. It means she is not a guide, is not a superior, is not a god. Now, one of the proverbs that helps us to have an in-depth understanding of what she is what? Onyeburuchi uzo obawo also. Another one is Onwa puyi mumado obro na chi ya no yemizu. The first one means what? Whenever you go ahead of your chi, the race or the journey of life will become too difficult, too taxing for you, or even become costly or dangerous for you. The second proverb means what? No harm or evil can befall anyone if you do not take the person's chi into due what? Consultation. Now, in the light of these two proverbs, if it's clinically examined, we can say that your chi is not your partner. If death or harm cannot come to you if your chi is not in consideration or in consultation, it means your she is not actually not your partner. If the warning that if you go ahead of your chi, the journey of life will be tough for you, it means your chi is not your partner. It shows your chi is your guide. It shows your chi is your superior. It shows your chi being in the status of a god to you. A god in the sense that is a higher or a more advantageous word personality. So your chi is not your partner. The essence of a god is to help you. A partner cannot be a god. I mean, something of equal or coordinate ability cannot really claim to be a god. The proverb shows our chi are not of coordinate abilities. Because if I'm one that so that means I should not go ahead of my chi. That means that thing is higher than me. It has more advantage than me. It's not my partner. It's not of coordinate ability. This is why we believe that chi are chosen from ancestors who have lived noble and better life. We sought them out to be our chi in this existence because they have blazed the trail we are currently blazing. If this is true, it means they have little or no baggage. They are akin to our saints. The only exception to this should be when one is yoked in a relationship with what we call ajoshi. Ajoshi means having a chi that is not capable of addressing your physical problem. Ndị be anyị ji segonu na onye nwere ajochi ọ sị ya wụọ nọ mmiri ka ọ ṅụrụ mmiri ahụ ya kpafie ya n'eze. So ajoshi means having a chi that is not capable of addressing your physical problem rather than be of help. The chi leads you to your own doom. So from the above, we can see or we can deduce that paying the debt or evil committed by your chi before things will be well for you is nothing short of what? Absurdity or conjecture. You cannot pay the debt that someone who is greater than you is owing. Your chi is here, I'm here. How can a smaller nation pay the debt of a bigger nation? It doesn't make sense. It's absurd. A diviner telling you that you have to pay the debt of your chi is nothing short of what? Conjecture or absurdity. Now, here is what I believe. When they say or when they divine that you should pay the debt owed by your chi or onyowa, they actually mean pay the debt you owe from your previous what? Existence. Pay the debt that is in this life that is owing from your previous what? Existence. This is totally in line with the Igbo belief system of reincarnation. We are here to continue from where we stopped in our previous lives. And whatever credit or loss we have from the past life has to be added to this present life. Remember, some of the things you have as strength or as an advantage in this life are some of the gains you had in your previous existence. In the same thinking, some of the loss you have in your previous existence is added in this one. Those scores is added in this present existence. So you have to pay it. If it's a loss or no work you have to pay it. So if this debt from the past life is what we personally owe, it is in order to pay it off in this present life. If this is the case, then it is correct interpretation of the divination. The question is, how sure are we that this is the case and not the case of permutation from the part of what? Diviner. Because at times I used to say that alpha is what? Permutation. At times it becomes a case of at times it becomes a case of the diviner not properly correctly interpreting the word divination. Now, number 2, from what I believe, we cannot pay the debt owed by your chi. Our chi is our guide, so we cannot pay the debt owed by our chi. Our chi are saints, are nobles who lived better life, who are now more disposed to guide us, so we cannot pay their own debt. If the chi has a debt, I want to believe that when the chi comes back to his or her own life, to this physical existence, they will pay their own debts. This is in consonance with the Igbo belief system. In what? Onye jugo ya kwụ ụgwọ ji. Ọ na mụ ji ụgwọ mma akwụ ụgwọ nji. o metala ya bulu, nke ọ na metala ya dị n'isi, anything I do will be in my own head. It cannot be in the head of another person. This is what Igbo belief system is built on. Any crime I committed is waiting for me either in this life or in my next life. It cannot be waiting for another person. Where the situation is different is where we have a family curse and family blessing. If your ancestors did something that you benefit from, it means that they can also do something that you also suffer from. That one is a different scenario. But if as an individual someone committed a crime and you say that I will come back, and no, it doesn't make sense and it's not true. If you look at the core tenet of Igbo belief system, that means if or onye ji ugbo ya kwụliri ugbo ji, you must pay your debt either in this life or in the next life. You see that divination that your chi that you have to pay is not correct. It's not correct. I choose not to agree with it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.